Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the special winter frost with the Frostspore King Crab in Heartopia. During the current winter event, there are 4 new fish that added to the game, and one of them is the Frostspore King Crab. And to get this crab, you need to go to the old sea. Just head to the area near Onsen Mountain like this, over here. And then this is the exact spots where you can fish for each fish. And then just start fishing in this area. Just use your rod as usual, and then keep in mind you won't get the crab instantly because the result is random. So if you don't get it on the first try, don't worry, just keep fishing until you get it. And then when you finally get it, the Frostspore King Crab will look like this. It's an icy crab with a frozen crystal-like appearance like this. It's so cool. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get the Frostspore King Crab. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.